If you are still doing everything manually in 2026, you are losing at least 4 hours every single day. I'm not talking about ChatGPT or Midjourney. I'm talking about 5 secret ghost websites that do 90% of your work for you. No fluff, no useless intro today. Watch this until the very end because I'm giving my personal ultimate AI toolkit inside a Notion template for absolutely free. It includes 100 plus automated prompts and free alternatives to paid AI tools. But first, let's reclaim your stolen time. Tool number 1 is for anyone who creates content but hates editing short videos. Just drop any long video or podcast link into Upsclip or Munch. The AI automatically finds the hook, crops it to 9/60 and generates viral captions. And boom! 10 shorts in 60 seconds. Tool number 2 fixes the biggest time killer for students and professionals. Stop messing with PowerPoint designs. Go to GameApp, type your topic in a plain English, and the AI builds a breathtaking, fully designed slide deck in less than a minute. It's like having a top-tier designer in your pocket. Now let's talk about audio and design assets. Tool number 3 is Adobe Podcast Enhance. If you record videos in a noisy room with a cheap microphone, just drop your audio here. The AI magically delays all background noise and makes you sound like you're in a professional studio. Tool number 4 is Clip Drop by Jasper. Need to remove a random object from a photo or uncrop an image? Just brush over it and AI fixes it instantly. And finally, tool number 5 is Perplexity. Stop clicking through 10 different Google links and reading generic blogs. Ask Perplexity anything, and it scans the entire internet to give you one clear, perfectly cited answer in seconds. As promised, I want to give you a massive shortcut. Instead of searching for these tools and paying expensive subscriptions, I built the ultimate AI toolkit in Notion. Inside, you'll get my personal list of 100 plus free AI tools that replace and paid software, plus copy-paste prompts to automate your daily routine. It's completely free. Go directly to the description right now and duplicate it before it's gone. This is Need to Know. I'm Ryuzaki. Stop wasting time, protect your focus, and see ya.